Xiaomi is introducing its new Xiaomi 17T. Today we are unboxing of this amazing phone. Smartphone powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset with an Octa-Core CPU. The Xiaomi 17T offers a AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.59 inches screen size and with a 1268 by 2756 pixel resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. There is a triple camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with a 12 megapixel ultrawide lens. Front camera will be 32 megapixel. There will be 12 GB of RAM and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. Fingerprint will be under display optical and that is 6500 mAh with fast charging support. Phone will run on Android operating system. Price started $553 US. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.